Check out how I created this design with KUU Creator. First, we're going to start by creating a new workspace. Set the size as you want. Tap on the object menu and search for a countryside road. Select the one that you're looking for and move it around until you're happy with the position. Let's add some background. Press on the photo and search for a cityscape photo. If you find the right one already, flip it, drag to expand it, and move it behind the foreground. Next, we're going to find the main subject for our design. The idea is to bring the astronaut flying in the middle of my work. You can easily remove the background in just a click. The next step is to find some objects that could go with the surrounding. When you found it, tweak some adjustment tools to adjust the color. You can add more objects if you want. Scale it down and move it behind the subject. There are so many different styles of elements that you can use in your design. I go for the abstract shapes, a golden frame to bring more impact to the photo. You can add some text. Select a font from the panel, move it around. You can also change the color of the text, the color of the background, and the position of the text as well. Now it's time to have fun playing with the motion of your design. I'm gonna be using just a simple animation for the movement. For example, move the foreground and the background up and down away from the center. Move the crowns left to right, maybe spin the moon a little bit to grab more attention from the audience. And here's the final design.